everyone, it's good to be back. It's been so long since my last post and I really miss you guys. I'm sorry that I was away for too long as there are so many updates in the crypto space that I wasn't able to bring to you right away because I was gone for Christmas and New Year, and when we came back from vacation, we were under the weather really bad, so I had to extend my break to recover. Then after that, we moved into a new apartment where I've been busy sorting things out, and now everything's finally back in place. I have so many things in my head that I want to share with you guys, especially since I found out that AlphaPay has just released its mainnet. And if you're one of those who collect Alpha coins, this would definitely brighten up your day. Now that the mainnet for AlphaPay is released, I have read so many reviews saying their accounts have been deleted. According to the creators, they have deleted all inactive accounts, including fraud flagged accounts in the network, and all their collected coins will be added back to the supply. So if you're wondering why the supply seems to gain more coins instead of draining, this must be the reason why. Having said that, accounts that have irregular activities were deleted, it seems that the creators already did some sort of account verification on the entire network. But does this mean we're no longer required to do KYC? Well, we still have to wait if KYC would be a part of this process, because KYC holds a very important role in a financial institution, organization, or company. I'm pretty sure KYC is still under development and we just have to wait for an update. Now that the alpha test wallet is over, we can now use the main wallet to send and receive alpha coins from other users. For now, it is only available through the Alpha Network app. If you want to participate in this process, you may log into your Alpha Network app. If this is your first time hearing about this platform, you may watch my previous videos about the Alpha Network and its wallet linked in the description box below. I also linked my referral code for you to get a bonus. Once you're on the dashboard, claim your daily reward if you haven't already, then tap on this wallet icon and tap on Enable. If you want to send or receive Alpha coins, make sure that the Alpha wallet and the wallet you are sending to are enabled. Otherwise, your transaction will fail. I'll try this for the first time and you may follow me through the steps. I want to send Alpha coins. Tap Transfer. I'll just leave the sender as ANC main wallet. For the receiver, ask your friend's wallet address. You may get your wallet address on the dashboard. Just scroll down a little and tap this Connect Wallet now. This text right here is the wallet address that you can give out to receive Alpha coins. Once you have your friend's wallet address, paste it here and enter the amount you want to send. Tap on Transfer and you're done. The transaction was seamless and it was also received immediately. If you happen to know what is the minimum and the maximum amount to be transferred, please comment them down. And if you think I'm missing an important part of this topic, please let me know as well. So far, that's the most exciting part of the update, and according to the app's developers, they will soon add support for other cryptocurrencies and interoperable functionality. This answers the question of many in the community if users can transfer and store their coins to Trust Wallet or other wallets. Well, this is still under development, and once it's released, we will also be able to stake our coins for a profit. Another important update is the base rate. From the previous base rate of 0.50 alpha coins per hour, it's now halved to 0.25 per hour, while the loot box and the referral bonuses are not affected. I have so much hope for this project, and just like everybody, I am also looking forward for the next updates when we can already enjoy the benefits this app has to offer. That's all for now, my friends. I'll see you in my next video. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!